Databricks versus Snowflake. Which is better in 2025? I'm going to tell you whether Databricks or Snowflake is better choice in 2025. Databricks is built for big data processing, AI/ML, and real-time analytics. It leverages Apache Spark and provides tools for data engineering, machine learning, and real-time data streaming. If your organization handles complex, compute-heavy workloads, Databricks is the better option. Snowflake, on the other hand, is a cloud-based data warehouse optimized for structured data and SQL-based analytics. It offers high scalability, ease of use, and cost-effective performance for business intelligence and reporting. With its separation of compute and storage, Snowflake is great for companies needing scalable and reliable data warehouse without managing infrastructure. If you need AI-driven analytics and large-scale data processing, Databricks is the way to go. But if your priority is SQL-driven analytics and BI, Snowflake is the better fit.